I've been using my DIY table saw for quite some time now. But I had one issue about this table. The maximum ripping capacity is only 17 inches. So I decided to make a table extension so I can rip wider boards. There's a difference between the thickness of the table and the plywood, so I have to take off some materials on the support. And now they are perfectly flush. And then I screw the support from the bottom and from the top. I took some time to make sure that the edge of the table is parallel to the extension. And then drill some pilot hole before driving the screws. I'll add a support for the extension so it won't pinch when I clamp the table saw fence. I'll just attach this with pocket screws. My miter slot is aligned with my table saw blade, so I can use my sled to check its accuracy. I think I'm pretty happy with the result. And now the maximum ripping capacity is 36.5 inches. Well, it's not pretty, but it can make the job done.